includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 83 and 100. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central McLean County in central Oklahoma, northern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, western Carter County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, western Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bradley to 4 miles southeast of Hastings, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Duncan, Marlow, Morica, Lindsay, Healdton, Wilson, Comanche, Maysville, Rush Springs, Bray, Ringling.